Cryptocurrency is part computer science and part finance, but don't let that intimidate you. It's simple to get started and you don't have to be an expert. With a little smart investing and a little luck, you can make money online even in 2022. While many people do pay for their purchases with crypto, it's more widely discussed as a form of investment, spurring whole websites that track the value of a single Bitcoin. Here are 5 ways you can make money online with crypto in 2022, but before, make sure to subscribe to the channel to know of more ways to make money online. Let's dive in. Number 1. Cloud mining. Cloud mining has been developed as a way to mine cryptocurrency by using rented cloud computing power without having the need to install or directly run any related software or hardware. People can remotely participate in cryptocurrency mining by opening an account and paying a minimal cost. Thus, cloud mining firms have made mining more accessible and profitable for a larger group of people. Number 2. Affiliate programs. Get paid to refer a friend. There are many crypto affiliate programs that pay you for referring new users to their platform. Affiliate programs are free to join. Once you create an account, you'll be given a special unique link. You can start sharing the link however you'd like on social media, websites, blogs, forums. Whenever a person signs up or makes a purchase using your link, you'll receive a commission. The biggest advantage is that it's quick to start and begin earning money. Plus, money would keep coming in days, weeks, and months, even years after you put in all that effort. If you already run a blog or website or have a huge following on social media, affiliate programs can be a great way to make some good passive income. Number 3. Buy and hodl. Hodl is a crypto slang term meaning to buy and hold indefinitely. It implies not selling when markets go down or become volatile. This is the most common way of earning money. From cryptocurrencies, most investors buy coins such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and more and wait until their value rises. Once their market prices rise, they sell at a profit. This investing strategy requires one to identify more stable and volatile assets that can shift in value rapidly, resulting in regular profits. Assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have been known to maintain regular price fluctuations. They can therefore be considered a safe investment in this regard. However, you're welcome to trade any asset you feel is going to rise in value. All you need to do is analyze each asset you're investing in before committing to hodling in. Also, you don't need to buy the most expensive assets for you to make profits. There are thousands of small altcoins that have decent price shifts. Consider having a mix of all coins that have a promising future value and are not just popular in the exchanges. Number 4. Day trading cryptocurrency. One could make the argument that trading and investing are the same thing, but they're often differentiated to a degree by time horizons. Traders are looking to make a relatively quick profit, while investors may only make a handful of changes to their portfolios per year. Nonetheless, day trading can be another way to make money with cryptocurrency, just like it is with stocks or other securities. Day traders buy and sell assets within the same day in order to try and score a quick profit. This is a risky strategy since it's hard to know how cryptocurrency values could change at any given day or over time. You can start day trading on an exchange today. All you need to do is to sign up, buy some assets, analyze, and you're all set. You can also start trading through an automatic trading platform like Bitcoin Profit, which allows users to decipher the signals emitted by the trends on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and start to perform successful small trades. Here's a tip. If you're going to be a day trader, consider mastering the art of analyzing stocks using the technical and fundamental method. They are widely used to evaluate all traded assets. Number 5. Work for a cryptocurrency company. As crypto has expanded into the mainstream consciousness, so has the opportunity to work in the crypto industry. You could work for any of the hundreds of cryptocurrencies themselves, or for other companies or industries looking to take advantage of the crypto boom. In addition to developers, crypto companies need to hire for all the other roles of a growing business, including marketing, human resources, and cybersecurity. Below are a few examples of platforms that pay in digital assets for services rendered. Coinality, jobs for Bitcoin, CoinWorker. Number 6. Stake your crypto. The process of crypto staking is similar to locking your assets up in the bank and earning interest. Similar to a certificate of deposit, you lock up your crypto holdings in exchange for rewards or interest from the platform on which you've staked the assets. Many exchanges and platforms offer staking, with both centralized and decentralized options. You can even stake crypto from some hardware wallets. The lowest risk option for staking would be to stake stablecoins. When you stake stablecoins, you eliminate most of the risk associated with the price fluctuations of cryptocurrency. Also, if possible, avoid lockup periods when staking. Is it too late to make money with cryptocurrencies? Not at all. It's still very early in this asset class. There will undoubtedly be innovations in the crypto space that we cannot even imagine right now. These new directions will most likely provide even more ways to make money with cryptocurrencies. And that's all from us today. If you have any questions, do comment down below, and we will answer all the questions you might have on how to make money online with crypto in 2022. See you in the next one.